What's up, Kia 2 Technical? So today I wanted to just go over some of the new customization that you can do in your theme park app. It has gotten updated the other day, and I'll try to drop a link to where you can go update yours because I had to go use the APK to update mine because I didn't get the update. But anyways, I'll make sure I drop that in the description. So first, all you want to do is go locate your theme park app. And once you get into it, you just want to scroll over to where it says icons. And then you want to hit create. So what has been added was now you can use access to effects. So if you click on effects, now you get access to change your icons even more to make them even more better. So you get the basic look. Now you get the frame green, the film grain. And as you can see, it's currently changing right here. As you can see, it's currently changing. You also get access to the tray color. You can change the tray color of the circles in different colors, which that's something that has already been there, but we can go down to this one here. So this gives you a different kind of effect with your icons. I really like that. You can really customize your icons here. And this is all because of the new update. The update that they sent over allows you to have better access of fully customizing your icons. And then you also get that glass effect like what Apple has. Samsung did it also. But you can come in here and change the edge color, change the light to make them look really, really cool. You can have them circled, square. Just play around with that so it can really, really, really go well with whatever kind of wallpaper you have. You also get gradient look and feel, so you can come in here and change your icons to have it look like a little gradient look. So say you had a wallpaper that was a two-tone wallpaper, then this will really, really look good. So let's go back to the glass effect real quick. You can go as dark as you want with the icons, as light as you want with the icons. Just go back to dark. Just like that. You can have dark icons for a dark wallpaper. And that is why I love Samsung, because they're always incrementing new ways to update your device to make it more customizational for yourself. And this is nice to have. So, like I said, all you would need to do is go update to the latest theme park version. And then once you do that, you'll have access to changing your icons to basic. So this is your basic look. This is what we already had. And then you get the film grain, the dupe tone, if I'm saying that right, and then your glass. And this is the new glass effect that everybody is liking. This is Samsung's turn of glass that Apple has. And then you get your gradient effect. And I really like that you have access to customizing your icons even more. But like I said, I'll try to drop the APK in the link below if you cannot download it, if you did not have an update for it. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.